हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हमारा डे 12 है 1000 प्लस MCQ सीरीज़ का। तो आज इस सीरीज़ में हम 1000 क्वेश्चंस जो हमने टारगेट रखा था वो कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। 901 नेशनल अर्बन हेल्थ मिशन लॉन्च्ड बाय former Union Health Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad in 2014. The Geneva of the East is called the city of Srinagar due to tourism potential. Famous sky resort in J&K is at Gulmarg. President of India Ramnath Kovind. Speaker of Lok Sabha Om Birla. New name for Firoz Shah Stadium, Delhi Arjun Jaitley Stadium. GST full form Goods and Service Tax. Weight of heart 200 to 300 gram. Author of book Exam Warriors Narendra Modi. Players in Kho-Kho and baseball 9. Players in water polo kabaddi 7. First man-made element technetium. Mirror whose reflecting surface is covered in what? Concave mirror. Pigment that gives red color to blood, hemoglobin. The queen with title Dida ruled over which party of India between 1980 to 1003? Kashmir. Takshashila University was located between which two rivers, Indus and Jhelum. First female emperor of India, Razia Sultan. Deficiency of vitamin A results in night blindness. Radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. SI unit of pressure, Pascal. Which India state is worst affected by Indus Water Treaty? J&K. Fluid part of blood is plasma. Metallurgy is the study of atmosphere. Instrument used to measure heartbeat of the heart, electrocardiogram. Which Pala ruler founded the famous Vikramshila University for the Buddhist Dharmapala? Sachin Tendulkar hits his 100th international century against Bangladesh. Which politician from J&K became the Home Minister of India in 1989 to 1990? Mufti Muhammad Said. First Muslim Home Minister of India, Mufti Muhammad Said. State flower of J&K, lotus. First person land on moon, Neil Armstrong. Second person land on moon, Aldrin. When did mobile service launched in J&K? August 2003. National flag was adopted on 22 July 1947. National anthem was adopted on 24 Jan 1950. Slogan सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा given by मोहम्मद इकबाल. Slogan Puran Swaraj was given by Jawaharlal Nehru. First artificial satellite launched in space, Sputnik. First duty PM of India, Sardar Patel. Color of star depend on temperature. The man pollutant responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy, methyl isocyanate. What was the capital of undivided Punjab before Chandigarh? Shimla. Headquarters of ICC, Dubai. Headquarters of World Bank, Washington, DC. Tank on the back of toilet, flush tank. Which stream animal is an indicator of poor water quality? Black fly larva. Which sustainable development goal deal with clean water sanitation? SDG 6. As a set of practices performed to preserve health is called hygiene. Sanitization refers to disposal of human excrete. Who wrote the poem Shiva Lagan? Paramanand. Vanium is a type of dash in Kashmir, marriage song. Staple food of Kashmir, rice. On Kheer Bhavani festival, devotees take blessing of Kuldevi. Mata Kheer Bhavani temple is located in district Gandharwal. Folk dance performed during Eid and Ramzan days, roof. World Ka in Kashmir means water. Bakshi Stadium is located in district Srinagar. AC Superfast Express train run by Indian Railway between New Delhi and Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra is Shri Shakti Express. District of J&K known for its blue sapphire, Kishtwar Padar. Chota London of Kashmir, Supor. In which sport the participant called pugilist? Boxing. The term putting is used in golf. Term beamer is associated with cricket. Which batsman started his international cricketing career at the age of 16? Sachin Tendulkar. Hope Man Cup related to tennis. Most literate UT in India, Lakshadweep. Mysonram holds the world record for highest annual rainfall. It is in Meghalaya. Peacock was declared as national bird of India on 1963. Largest zoo in India, Arignar Anna Zoological Garden, Kolkata Zoo. Where will you find India's only floating post office? Srinagar. World's highest rail bridge is located in India in Riyasi, J&K. Pampore is famous for Kashmiri saffron. Nam Kashmir means desiccated land. Who signed J&K instrument accession? Hari Singh. Dash is set to replace the State Forest Corporation of J&K, JKFDC, who is appointed as mentor and coach of J&K cricket team in Farm Pathan. The hill station, which is known as the Niagara Falls of Kashmir, Arhawal. First judge of J&K High Court to take oath under the Indian Constitution, Justice Rajneesh Oswal. Winter capital of J&K, Jammu. Longest river in J&K, Chenab. Most ancient industry of J&K, silk. Second main economic activity in J&K, tourism. Sodium nitrate is used in salt. Language recently added as the official language of J&K in addition to Urdu, Dogri. General Zorawar Singh died in 1841. Fort also known as Koha-i-Maram Hari Parbat. Butter paper is an example of translucent object. What is the meaning of Dachigam? In the Dachigam National Park, 10 villages. In which year Kishtwar National Park is declared National Park? 4th Feb 1981. In which year Salim Ali National Park is notified as National Park? 1986. Akbar of Kashmir, Zainul Abdin. Tricuta Wildlife Sanctuary is in district Riyasi, J&K. Gas used as a coolant in refrigerator, Firon 12. Strongest muscle in human, jaw muscle, masseter muscle. Typhoid is caused by bacteria, Salmonella typhimurium. Cooking gas is mixture of butane and propane. Hypertension term used for increase in blood pressure. Ozone layer lies in the stratosphere. Who had performed the world first heart transplant? Surgeon Christian Bernard. Largest producer of salt in India, Gujarat. Longest dam in the world, Hirakud. So friends, आज आपके 1000 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हो गए. थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए.